Mr. Chainsaw and Sand Pile, pineapple juice deep in the jungle. Come on.
Yeah, 4 right, pineapple juice. Hey, which one of them can I pick an island you
I'm on the island of Kauai. I'm on the oldest island. There's 8 islands. You got Showdown on the Camp Big Island. You got 28 on Maui. You got Mod Squad in Honolulu. And you got Pineapple Juice in Kauai there. Hey, Chainsaw, one of the Ghost Rider big boys. Come on, let's rock. And then a Roger, man, because the Big Island is the youngest island. Hey, Chainsaw, the big island, they call it the Big Island. He's the youngest island. That island got the active volcano. I'm on the oldest island out here in the northwest corner, Kauai, K-A-U-A-I. There, Roger?
Places that used to be, ain't no more whole lot of lava there.
Yeah, that's that town called Kalapana. Hey, Chainsaw, that's that town called Kalapana. You got all lava all over those houses there, Roger?
Well, Pineapple Juice is a place to put the folks around Hawaii. God bless you and your
and then arouse the Chainsaw going with your bad self out there on the Palm Beach of Florida, man. You're doing some numbers out here in Kauai there. Hey, Chainsaw.